When I was preparing this video, I was really not sure whether this video need to create or not. But guys, actually, according to Microsoft AZ-900 certification, we should know and we should actually aware about all the options available in both Azure Portal and the dashboard. So hello guys, my name is Harjangra and today we are going to cover two very simple things. The very first one is Azure Portal guidelines, which I think you already know because guys, since we begin with the training modules, whatever we have done in AZ-900 and AZ-104, every time you simply go to browser, type portal.azure.com and simply use Azure Portal all the time. I don't know that you guys are definitely not aware about anything because according to me, you should be and you have very much experience in using these all options. Don't worry guys, I will try to make this video a little bit quicker and can tell you exactly the basic inputs and basic information about Azure Portal, and obviously a little bit extra today in the dashboard, because if you remember in our previous video we also covered that how you can build and customize your dashboard. So today officially we are going to talk about the dashboard and exactly how dashboard can be really helpful for the administrators. If you are a developer, how you can actually customize with a little bit extra step. And what options we have actually in the dashboard to customize, to share, and to actually download those kind of dashboard, and how to import those dashboard to another subscription if you are running your resources, or in fact you are running with the administrator account or a delegate account. You can download those dashboard so that you can simply access your resources pretty easily. And one last thing, today we are also going to play around with a little bit JSON file, because whatever the dashboard we are running right now in Azure, once you download that dashboard, you can find all those information in JSON file, which is actually a JavaScript. So don't worry guys, let's talk about a little bit more. And as I said, I will try to complete that a little bit quickly because I'm sure you guys are pretty much aware about it. So guys, let's begin. Like I said, Azure Portal is so much easy to at least understand that what options are actually available for us to managing our resources in Azure. To understand that, let's start from the Azure Portal. To access that, you have to first log in with portal.azure.com. Then automatically it goes to this home page. Currently, we are not talking about dashboard. We are going to just understand what options do we have on Azure Portal in terms of accessing our resources, and to understand better that what exactly the portal is all about here in Azure. So to understand that, we can begin from the left hand side. So we can find three lines, and obviously if you click on this upper corner on the left hand side, you can find all sort of informations, or all very important. According to Microsoft, these all options are very much in use all the time when somebody is trying to create or manage their resources. So here you can start one thing that you can simply go to home page, and right now you can see on my screen is exactly the home page. If you create any dashboard, you can also directly go to the dashboard. Don't worry, I will take you there very soon and I can explain you that what dashboard is all about and how to access all the resources in dashboard, and how you can even add more resources in the dashboard. The next option we have is all about all services. As soon as you click here, then automatically right now these all services you can find on this screen, meaning that Microsoft Azure services are actually more than 100 plus. So if you need to access all of them, you can actually go here and try to search any specific category, or what you can do is you can also search right from here. If you are still unsure that which options you are looking for, then just click on all services right on this page under featured. As soon as you click, it automatically takes you to this page, and you can find all sort of 100 plus services right on one page. You just need to click any one of them and you can, simply just access those services pretty easy way. So that's all about all services. The next one is most recent one, which services you have actually used, a recent one. And these all are the name of the services offered by Microsoft. So I think you can go through one by one to get more understanding on these features and services availability. The next option we have, definitely let me go back to home so that I can explain everything. So here is also the Azure services. Here you can find out more services related to Azure. Obviously, I don't want to mention again. And recent resources, just like here, we have option called recent. Similarly, you can find out the most recent resources you have used in Azure in recent time, so that it will be easy for you if you like to go back in recent time and find out, hey, this was the resource I actually was working on. So you can simply click on that and you can access your resource in an easy and quicker way. The next one we have is the navigation. Obviously, the subscription, the all resources, the dashboard, resource group, you can find this very common in use all the time. Yes, everybody would like to use subscriptions. Yes, if they need to check all the resources within Azure, they simply go to all resources. Obviously, resource groups are quite logical containers. It is very important to find out actually where our resources actually exist right now and in which resource group, so that you can use PowerShell or like Linux Bash to create or modify those resources easily. The last one is the dashboard, because as I said, that everybody, like especially every administrator, would like to use this dashboard because they have actually customized according to their need, and they always check the resources what they are actually looking for. Apart from that, you can find some very common tools from Microsoft Azure. First, if you like to learn about these tools, these services, how to access all of them, you can simply click on Microsoft Learn here. Then we have a Microsoft Monitor, Azure Monitor. Very great feature. Don't worry, if I get a chance, I will definitely show you and explain you about Azure Monitor in detail. Right now, it just helps you to monitor your infrastructure with ease and with all advantages and all the options, securities and rules and regulations. We will talk about that, I think, in upcoming AZ-104 videos. The next one we have is the Security Center. The Security Center is a really great way to find out that what Microsoft actually has to suggest us, what Microsoft actually introducing in Microsoft Azure. Let's say Microsoft recently introduced the DDoS protection for application layer. So this is really a great way to find out and securing your application with the Microsoft Azure services. And the last one is the cost management, which is directly related to the subscription. So I think I don't need to mention about this because we have already gone through one of the video in AZ-104. You can simply watch that video and try to find out how actually we review and check the cost analysis based on tags as well. And additionally, you can find some useful links and some links directly to download the application for Apple and Android platform. So it's pretty easy and straightforward on this place. The next one we have is a search bar. I think it's really a great way to find out any resources, and I think it is a necessary step because sometimes we are looking for very, very straight and very clear any VM, because if you talk about all resources, yes, you need to again search to find out correct VM that you're looking for, correct app services you're looking for if you have multiple ones. So simply go to search, find out that information, and you can access your VMs with an easy way. Let's take an example. If I like to access my virtual machine, so I just type Hirsch and automatically it shows some virtual machines to me. For example, Hirsch Arena Dev, and we have another one, Hirsch Arena VM and Hirsch. Do we have any other one? No, I don't think so. So right now I can see there are two VMs, and similarly all other related resources with the name of Hirsch we can find on one page. Additionally, you can also find out more information on the resource group, but I think you get my point using search, which is pretty easy, and I think we always use almost every time if we are following the browser-based experience. The next one we have is the Cloud Shell. We have actually learned about it, so I'm not going to explain you and bore you again, but just mention the Azure Shell is actually, or Cloud Shell is used to run the PowerShell and Linux Bash commands, which is really a great way to manage your resources. The next one is really a very, very great option to find out if you are running a multiple tenants or multiple subscriptions, because if you have multiple subscriptions, just make sure you are actually choose as all subscription. But if you like to look into one specific subscriptions at this moment, so you can remove one of the subscription and you can search all information in one particular subscription. But this option is most likely used by people where they have 10, 20, 30, 40 subscriptions. So it is really a great way to manage all of your resources in multiple different subscriptions under one roof, under one Azure portal. Apart from that, we have also some more additional information about the tenants. Just like you see the directories, it mentioned you have a default directory. I created GBST. I also have one more, green cross health. If I really want to change my directory, you can switch and you can change right from this place. But it's pretty basic and direct information. The next one we have is all the notification area. So every time you deploy any resources or you like to see any information, let's say you recently performed any action, all those notification, all those operations, you can find more details of very specific running or executable, sorry, not executable, execution details right in the notification. And it is going to be very helpful sometime if we are looking for a very specific recent operation we have performed on Azure. The next one we have is the settings. I think it's also pretty straightforward, nothing very fancy. Here you can find out two tabs. One is general, another is language. If you like to change the language, you can simply choose here. Pretty simple, straightforward. Another one we have is in general. So right now, as you can see, we have basically it is used for, let's say if I like to use the dark mode, I can choose a dark mode. I have any other fancy different mode. You can see the all colors, everything is being changed right here on the screen. I'm most likely to use dark mode. It is really helpful for me because I can see more information and I mean the all small and big details very clearly. So I like to use dark mode all the time. Apart from that, you can see the contrast. I don't know if you like this one or not because this is the contrast. If you like to choose black, white and none, so yeah, I'm not interested and I like this point if I choose none in a high contrast, but it is all on a personal preferences. So if you like it, the white and black, just go ahead with that. I'm happy for you. So that to be all in this settings. Next tab we have is the question mark. It's all about the help and support. If you have any question for the Microsoft, just click here and it automatically asks you to raise a request. You can raise a request right from this place. It also shows you some shortcuts or the links from where you can find out more information in terms of help on Azure. The next one we have is a feedback. If you like the Azure portal, if you have any specific feedback for Azure portal, you can certainly raise your feedback to Microsoft product team, and this product team can review your request and try to improve based on your feedbacks. So I really like it because I would like to give sometimes some feedbacks to Microsoft Azure product team, especially on the portal team. So they make some changes. If I let's say request them to create a whole page experience for me, they can do that because right now you can see all the home page just in the central line or in the middle. But if you like to just stretch this a little bit out and you want this gonna be on the whole page, you can certainly share your feedback. I'm just giving you some examples that what sort of feedback you can give. You can say, hey, I would like to add more information, more customizable home screen. Please allow us to customize that screen just like dashboard. So if you have this kind of desired and this kind of requirement, you can certainly raise with a happy or not happy feedback. Both is very much welcome in Microsoft. The next one we have is just the which user account we currently logged in. You can simply switch the directories, my account information. So I think you don't find any very much information right here or very much in detailed information right here. And one last thing is the sign out. So final step, if you already finish your step, you can simply click on sign out, and that to be all for now. So guys, this is all about the tour, a quick guideline for the Azure portal, and I am 100% sure, I mean 99% of you already aware about these all options. But yeah, this is for those people who is doing this for the first time, and I think you find a little bit helpful. So let's do one thing. Let's move forward to dashboard and try to learn more about that, what options we can use, we can add more in the dashboard. Azure Dashboard. Like I said, the Azure Dashboard is nothing but a place where you can customize which resources you would like to see in daily basis. This is really going to be a very good tool, especially for those people who has been delegated with a specific, kind of administration job in Azure Portal. If they like to see a very specific information about, let's say you're running one of the very critical server and you like to see what exactly the CPU utilization or the memory utilization or the network utilization is going on from last 3 or 5 days, you can simply pin all those information right in your dashboard, and you don't need to every time go to the virtual machine and can look at all those resources. You can simply run and do your stuff on a dashboard, and it is keep continue comes on your screen, so you can get your old refresh rate, you can get all the most recent changes and updates on your dashboard. So overall, it's really a great experience. So you should know and you should be aware that how you can start customizing your resources in dashboard, or at least we call it tiles. I will show you those tiles, don't worry, in a bit, and I will show you a little bit more information how you can make your own dashboard accordingly. The next one we have is the sharing dashboard. This is something new today because you can definitely share your dashboard with another administrator. You can also upload, or you can, if you like to modify your dashboard, because in today's practice, I will try to show you how you can modify your dashboard using a JSON file. Although I'm not an expert on the JavaScript, but at least I know that what options I need to update. I know how to quickly modify those JavaScript updates within our whatever the dashboard script or dashboard file. Don't worry, I will show you in a bit, and I will explain you how you can take more advantage from the dashboard. So guys, let's move forward and try to learn more in Azure Portal. So now we are on Azure Portal, and to access your dashboard, it's pretty easy. On the same Azure Portal, you simply go to the dashboard under navigate, or you can simply search, and obviously you can also go in the 3 different lines on the left hand corner and simply click on dashboard. All are fine with me. As soon as you click on dashboard, this could be the default information you can see on your screen, or maybe you can find a little bit change right on this screen as well if you are looking at in your screen or your part. Another interesting thing I would like to tell you that right now you can see there are some cloud and some rain is going on. So if you can see this information in your dashboard, it means this resource is actually been deleted or been moved, but currently the point here is it is not available. So if you would like to delete, you can simply click on 3 dots and click on remove from dashboard. As soon as you do, this will be gone from the screen. That's the first thing you should know. Now the second thing, if you like to manage your dashboard, you can simply click on dashboard. Here you can see how many dashboard you currently own or at least have, so that you can customize all those different kind of dashboard accordingly. And I can give you very simple example to understand about the dashboard or why we need to create multiple dashboard. Let's take an example. If you are managing resources in US, in Europe, and in Asia. So definitely the resources are also different. One option, you can add all these 3 different resources, or means 3 different region resources in one dashboard. Absolutely fine and happy with that. But if you have a requirement that you would like to manage them separately, so you can create one dashboard for Asia Pacific, you can create one dashboard for Europe and one for US as an example. So right now it is a default dashboard and I can definitely customize. So to customize this dashboard, I can simply click on edit right here. Obviously you have one option to create a new, or you can simply upload a new one, but don't worry, I will show you how you can upload your dashboard after created. I give you one quick example. Obviously you can take your dashboard to the full screen like this. So obviously I just make it back right now, and you can enjoy that if you like. You can share your dashboard. I will show you in a bit after modify everything. You can download your customized dashboard, because sometimes you would like to share the same dashboard with your co-workers. You can certainly do that. You can make a clone of existing running dashboard as well. I will show you in a bit how you can use that. And in the last one, obviously you can delete this specific dashboard if you like to. But right now I'm trying to create a new dashboard because I would like to show you from beginning how you can see and what information you can see here. So we can start with a click on new dashboard and click on blank dashboard. As soon as I click on blank dashboard, you can see this particular screen. So obviously here you can start customizing. So my first and very important one is obviously I would like to add all resources. You can search right here, and as you can see right now I only have 23 tiles. In your case, maybe you can have more. Some people have more than 200, some people have 50, 100. It depends on how many resources currently you have owned and been configured or allowed to configure. All those things matter actually. But right now, just in a simple way, I can add any resource I like. So I click on add because I like to add all resources. So I click add, or you can just drag and drop, both you can do. So you can customize like this. You can make it big, you can make it small. Maximum you can make it like this, I mean very small. But right now this is all about resources, all subscriptions. So I can just choose this one. This looks good to me at the moment as an example. Or you can make it a little bit more big if you like I can create more. So more resources can be added automatically. So yeah, one thing is right here. Second, what else I can add from here? I can certainly would like to add marketplace because I like to customize. So marketplace should be right down because I don't like to put it on the hub. Marketplace is a place where you can purchase a new product from Microsoft. For example, if you're running any operating system and you like to create a new virtual machine, you can simply go to marketplace, choose a right virtual machine and can create it. Obviously, you can find more software as a service, SaaS, all that information right in marketplace. So yeah, it's a good place to go and just look into this. Obviously, another good is I like to choose help and support. Obviously, sometime I need some help, so which is going to be very helpful for me. What else I can do? Yeah, security metric. If really want to see some more information about the security metrics, I can certainly add that. So which is good. What else I can add? Yeah, right now I can see security metrics has been added. And moreover, I can add a clock, which is going to be really helpful for me. So I can add a clock here. Right now is 10:22 p.m. It's night here. So good. Seems all good. I think it's fine. So there's nothing very special, I think, right? Yeah, I mean, that's all. I think it's good. What we can do right now, once we are ready, oh yeah, it's asking for the clock. So I can certainly go with the 12 hours. So simply click done. And once you are done with the customizing, just click done customizing right on the screen here. Of course, you can give any name you like. So I give Harsh Arena Dashboard. So after done all those changes, just click done customizing. So this is my dashboard and here you can see information. But right now I said I need more information. I like to see the subscriptions related details. So for that, I can do one thing. I can simply click on subscription and I click on subscriptions. And I think I have told this in the past that you can do that, and I have 2 subscriptions at the moment, and I like to see the cost by resource or like whatever the current cost I can find out for my subscription. So I can simply click on pinned. As soon as you click on pinned, it automatically pinned on my dashboard, right? So this is pretty easy. So right now this is my one dashboard. Let me go to another dashboard, which is right here, and here also I can choose just let it read all information, whatever the resources I have been created on this, and based on that, how much money currently I'm in use. So once everything is done, you can simply click on this pinned right here. So it automatically pinned on my dashboard. So what I can do, I can click on my dashboard and I can find those information automatically here. So right now it's down. Let me add it. And I like to bring this right on this place. Yeah, looks good to me. And I also like to modify here, so that I can see all those information in one place. I think security also would be fine here because it's actually going down. Okay, so one thing is done here. Of course, you can also add your virtual machine and their related resources. And as an example, if this virtual machine is running, I can have a monitoring tab, right? So you can simply pin CPU average, done. But here it will ask you that where you would like to see this information. So obviously I don't want to share at this moment. I would like to just make it as a private. So click pin. So this will be pinned automatically on my screen. Obviously it's going down. I can change the place. I can go back, monitoring. I can simply add more, network. That's fine, done. Do it again because I like to add a couple of ones, disk as well, and the last is disk operation. I think this 3 is fine for me at the moment. So once everything is done, you can simply add it and you can bring this all right up here. So let me try to do it fast for you so that you can easily see later on what information I'm trying to show. So one is done. Now let's go to this place. Done. And obviously you can make it small, big changes. It's all up to you how you actually would like to see this information right for you. So this is my dashboard and seems good. Yeah, looks good to me at the moment. Or I can just make it a little bit up so that it looks much better. Sorry. Yeah, guys. All right. How about this here? Wow, no, it won't allow me. So let me take it up. Good. Good. Nice. All right. So finally, I have actually customized my dashboard. So this is my currently running dashboard. I think there's no difficult thing you can find, but very, very important thing. Now, as soon as you click on add it now again, you definitely would like to, you like to customize and this big and small screen. You can also do it from here. I just want to show you, you can definitely do this. So right now it is running like that. The very important thing, guys, that if you would like to see the most recent things been happening on the virtual machine, you need to click on auto refresh. Because if you do not do auto refresh, it can just stuck on the same page and you won't find any most recent changes. So obviously I would like to check in every 5 minutes what exactly is going on for my virtual machine. So as soon as I have done with that, I can click on certainly apply. So done. Now what it will do, it will actually refresh in every 5 minutes, or you can do it in a manual refresh. So based on that, you can find out most recent changes and most recent updates. So this is a very simplistic way that you can manage and you can modify your dashboard, and I think you won't find any difficulty in that. The next one we have is the shared dashboard. Obviously, you can share this dashboard easily with your teammates and others. How to do that? After you modify your dashboard with the way you like, then simply click on this shared here. So as soon as you click on share, you can simply go on the right hand side. This is the dashboard name. This is the virtual machine. Currently, I would like to just share the dashboard, and location should be East US. As soon as you click on publish, it automatically start publishing and it goes to one specific resource group. The name is dashboard. By default, the dashboard resource group is not available, but after you share this dashboard, it will automatically create a new resource group. So to see that information, that from where you can find out the shared dashboard, simply go to resource group. So as soon as I click on resource group, I can find the name of dashboards, this resource group. So just click on this and you can find certainly your dashboard. But right now, as you see, we don't have anything. Just refresh the page. And yeah, there you go. You have this dashboard shared with the people. So basically this shared dashboard can be accessed by your co-workers, and obviously you can assign these resources. After I already explained you about this access control or RBAC, that what role you would like to assign for the specific resource group. So you can give access to your delegate people, the contributor, to manage this dashboard, and they can see all the information what is going on. Obviously they cannot modify, but they can simply see all those information. But if you already assign RBAC permission with the added permission, then obviously they can also edit the dashboard. I mean, they cannot edit the exact one, but important thing is it is not required to at least give all the permissions, or it is never recommended from Microsoft to share the complete full control permission to anyone, especially when you're sharing your dashboard. The next one we have is in the dashboard is what I should talk about here is cloning. Cloning is like you like to copy the same exact dashboard. You like to create a new name, or you can create another dashboard from this one. So as an example, I click on clone, then automatically it actually create a clone. So this is the new clone. So I give the name, not clone, I just said Harsh dashboard copy as an example. As soon as it's done, just done customizing. So guys, this is exactly the copy. Obviously I do not modify anything, but you can see the difference. The previous one, the Harsh Arena dashboard, has been shared, but this Harsh Arena dashboard copy is not shared. But obviously you can find the same information in both of the dashboard. right? Exactly same. Now, if you would like to differentiate that, what other things we can modify, there's one more thing. Just like I said, you can use JavaScript to modify, which is obviously most of the developers like to use. Then I think it would be a really great way you guys can modify your dashboard, and you can simply edit the information you like. Along with that, you can also edit another more information within the same dashboard by using HTML editing or HTML language. I'll show you right now how you can add that information. But right now I'm doing this in the Harsh Arena dashboard copy, not the Harsh Arena dashboard. So I click edit. Here you need to just search for, actually I just type M, and as soon as you type M, you can find out markdown. And obviously this is the option you can add your HTML code. Obviously you can not do fancy things here, but it is really a good way to modify and add more information. So as an example, I click here, then it automatically opened one of the page where I can add more information about what exactly I would like to show in this particular HTML page or on my dashboard. Don't worry, I will show you how exactly it's gonna be looks like. So right now I have actually created a specific HTML coding already, so that it will save our time, and I'm just pasting it straight in this place. So I pasted this one, and as soon as I paste it, I simply click on my title. I give any name I like. I'll give Harsh Arena as an example, and this is YouTube channel. As an example, I give the name Harsh Arena and YouTube channel, and just click done. As soon as you click done, then automatically it added something here. And I think you find a little bit cool, because when I do it for the first time, I really feel, wow. I mean, we can do many things. We can add multiple information, like this is the link. Let's say, let me just done customizing. So guys, this is the link of my Harsh Arena YouTube channel. As soon as I click here, it automatically takes us to the Harsh Arena YouTube channel. You can add multiple links. You can add any specific information. Let's say, do not change or customize this dashboard. Do not modify this virtual machine, today's job. I mean, just like we are pasting regular jobs, regular workout, you can definitely do that. And I'm really gonna be very happy if you are able to do it easy. So yeah, I mean, you can do wonders in a HTML, but remember, you cannot do many things in one place. Right now in this particular page, I just added the link of my YouTube channel, and I actually publish or save my actually logo, Harsh Arena logo, to one of the public hosting image site, and just simply give the link of that image site. That will be all. So you can also do a little bit more wonders with the dashboard, especially in terms of editing your JavaScript. If you are very much good in editing JSON files, and if you're aware about the codes and everything, so you can do definitely a good thing. So as an example, right now, I'm going to download this currently running dashboard. I'm going to edit that JavaScript or JSON file, and we will see that what changes we can find out after that, and how we can upload those customized dashboard as well to Azure Portal. So to understand that, what I can do right now, you can see on my screen, I think everything is set up correctly, and I'm happy with currently looking at this particular dashboard. And what I can do, I can simply download this. So I click download, that's it. So as soon as it is downloading, I definitely would like to edit this. So for that, actually I have tried previously. So right now what I can do, I can simply right click on this specific download file, the JSON file, and click and go to Notepad++. So if you click on Notepad++, so this is your JavaScript. So if you're aware that where to do and what changes you have to do and how you can modify, you can certainly go to these options one by one and can try to find out how you can modify this option. So just to show you the changes, I would like to modify the clock part. Actually, it's a clock part. It's not a web part, but yeah, it's a clock part. So let me show you that from where you can find out this information. So let me just try to find first where I can see that information and option for the clock. Basically, I'm looking for hours, minutes, and the time frame, which is second, because currently on our web part or clock part, there is no basically seconds actually. Yeah, there we go. So while we are searching, we can find out the extension, hub extension, part type, clock part. That's what I said. It's not a web part. So right now I choose as an India Standard Time. I can simply add something right here as an example. So I add as a second. So as soon as I add this, I simply need to save this, and I save this JavaScript, and I go back to my downloaded file, and I can simply add IST dashboard, although most of the information are the same, but I can just show you the differences actually. So as soon as it has been just modify the name, it's all up to you if you like to modify or not. What you can do, you can simply click on this new dashboard, go to upload. As soon as you click on upload, you need to choose the right one, which is IST dashboard. And when you do it, just click open. There you go. But do you find any difference? Let me show you. So basically, if you are here, you can also customize this. Let's say if I click on this and I change this to edit, give the name IST dashboard as an example, and I just done customize, so it will be easy for you guys to identify the differences. So if you got to go to IST dashboard, which we just uploaded from the JavaScript or JSON file, you can find it. There's a second is going on right here, right? Right, you can see that. But if I change to this to Harsh Arena dashboard copy, you won't find this second, correct? So that's how I actually modified my IST dashboard using JavaScript or JSON file, and that's exactly you can do many things within the dashboard. Obviously, it is just for the informational purpose, but this is the way how you can managing your resources, and this is the way how you can actually modify your dashboard. So guys, I think you find this video quite informative and helpful. Actually, most of the thing you're already aware, and there's no technical things required. It is just for the administration purpose, and you guys just know how to actually deal with all these operations and all the options. But in case you are very much aware and you're not interested, I'm also fine with that, because this is only gonna be helpful when you have to manage so many resources. So guys, for today, I think that to be all, and I hope you are taking care of yourself and you find this video once again helpful. So I'll see you in the next video. Guys, till then, please take care of yourself. Coronavirus is up and running, although Indian government has opened most of the cities and everybody is going out, but still we are on number 2. Please guys, take care of yourself, and don't worry, I'm coming very soon to India. Hope we can also meet together at one place one day. So for now, enjoy your time. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye. See you. Peace.